Hey guys, it's Carl again. This is week 11, problem number 4. It's very similar in the question to problem number 1. A market analyst wants to know whether a website he or she developed is showing an increased pages viewed per visit. A customer is randomly sent to one of the two different websites offering the same products, different but with different designs and accompanying table. This table right here shows you website number 1 being the new and website number 2 being the old. And the slight difference in this question is the Tukey-Kramer test applicable to this data? Why or why not? Tukey-Kramer is similar in that you're comparing two groups, but there's a key, and here's as noted in this text box. Remember, to use Tukey's test, the two groups must be independent, and one group must have the highest value and the other must have the lowest. So the groups are independent because different customers visited different websites and the customers were chosen at random. So, in the sense that they're not related at all. I mean, that's really kind of, in essence, the independence of it. That there is no, you could call it in research study contaminants, where one group influences another. These are totally randomized from the customer perspective and from the website. There's not really a set method for a customer being directed to one side or the other. It's randomized in terms of their placement, and the customers themselves are randomized. So that kind of guarantees the independence of this study. But as we're continuing, website 2 has both the largest and the smallest value, 13 and 14. So the second condition is not met. The second condition being that one must have the highest and lowest value. So what does that mean is that the Tukey test in this case is not applicable, and related to previous questions, that we can just solve this similar to problem 1 using the p-value, where we fail to reject the null. Failing so that we're examining whether or not there is an observed difference between the two. So we hope this helps, and just let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.